Notice I'm not trying to live off that retirement account today. So it makes sense to use these in these longer term investments. So the next step then is just how do we actually use it? It's simple. You just find a custodian you like to work with and start off by setting up a self-directed IRA. And there's a lot of them out there. I do work with Quest, so I firmly believe Quest is the best, but I mean, there is several custodians out there that can fit your needs in those situations. So just know, where's your money sitting, right? Do you have more money in the retirement account or more money in the checking account? Where do you want to do the investment from? Do you want to do it from here or here? There's not a one that's better than the other. It's, once again, it's always different. So does that help?
Yeah, it does. I like that analogy. But at the same time, I need to mention over here, it's not just that you get the big check at the end, but there is a cash flow too, that you're getting some money on the quarterly basis too. So you can strategize it whatever way you want to do it.